Excel software is high demanding in today's time and we are learning Excel tips and tricks in these days. But I thought we should learn Excel properly from starting to end. So this is Sudesh Rani, welcome on my channel and we are going to start our Excel journey. For this, firstly we will open our Excel software. For this, we will go on start button and the start menu will be open. We get here Excel software. If we are not getting here, then we will go on all program. We will click on it and we check properly by scrolling up and down. If we are not getting also here, then we will go on the accessory group. Accessory group has all type of software that we have installed in our system. By scrolling up and down, we will check properly. Here we will get definitely Microsoft Excel software. See there, this is Microsoft Office. It has a lot of software under it like Access, Excel, Groove, Info, OneNote, Outlook, PowerPoint, Publisher, MS Word, Microsoft Office tool, etc. But we are doing work on Microsoft Office Excel. So I have this Microsoft Office Excel 2007. We will just simple click on it and you will see the Excel software on our screen. It is maximize, restore down and we can move it anywhere. This is the title bar. By holding it we can move it anywhere. And this is a close button, this is maximize button and this is minimize button. By using this button we can, this button has two names, restore down and maximize. When we click on it you will see the icon and name of this button is changed. This is minimize button and this is title bar that show the title of our workbook that we have saved. I will show any workbook that it is already saved in the software. So it show the name of that workbook. Like I open this Sudesh Rani workbook and you will see on the title bar it show the name of the workbook Sudesh Rani. So this is the title bar. It has 3 buttons and we will discuss today about only the screen information. And this is the title bar that has 3 buttons, close button, restore down button and minimize button. It has other name also that I have already discussed. When we click on it, the button icon also change, the name of the change also. Name will be maximize and you will notice also the icon. By dragging it, we can resize our software screen. It can be reduced and increased, but I like the full screen of the software on the screen, so I use it. And now the screen is restored down. Next is the menu bar. This is the button, Microsoft button has the file menu. When we click on it, it will open the file menu that help us to organize our document properly. It has all options that we need work on our workbook and organize it. We will discuss it later. Today we are only discussing about the screen. This is the menu bar that have all menu, insert, page layout, formula bar, data, review and view that help us to work in the software. And next is the ribbon bar. Now we have click on home, it shows the option of the home. We need to work on the software. When we click on insert, it will show the option of insert. When we click on page layout, it show the option of page layout. When we click on the formula bar, it show all option of the formula bar. When we click on data, it will show the option of data bar. When we click on review, it will show the review options. When we click on view, it will show the view option. This is the ribbon bar that depend on the menu that we have selected to work on the screen on the software. This is the formula bar. It shows what we write in any column or row that is show in the formula bar what we are going typing. And this is the name box. It shows the name of the column in which our cursor, where our cursor will move it change the address. When now our cursor in E6, then show the E6. Now H11, it shows the H11. Where our cursor will move it show the address of that particular box. This is a quick access toolbar. It has all the tools that we use during our work. The tool make our work easy and fast. We can add these tools according to our choice and requirement. We simply click on this triangle and you will see the list of that tools that we want to add or delete from this toolbar. See, I don't want the open tool in this toolbar, I off it. And I don't want the email tool here, I simple off it. And which tool I want to add, I will simply click on that and you will see the tool will be added in this software, in this toolbar. The number of these tools totally depend on our requirement and our choice, which tool we use more during the working on this software. Now this is the work area and workbook of the Excel software where we will do work on our data, and every workbook has 3 sheets. Every sheet has equal column and rows number. Like one sheet has 10,48,576 rows approximate and column 16,384 column. Every sheet has equal number of these rows and column. We can add more sheet according to our requirement and we also can delete sheet. We will discuss these whole thing in next videos. Today we have just discussed on the screen of the software, and one thing that we have not discussed, that is the status bar that shows the status of our page, and it also control the zooming of the page. And this is a normal layout of the page, and this is the page layout, and this is the page break preview. We will simply click on it and it will work. See, this is the page break preview and this is the page layout. We will simply click on it and you will see the page layout on your screen. And now you will click on the normal to see the normal sheet on your screen. And this is the horizontal scroll bar that help us to move page left and right, and this is the vertical scroll bar that help us to see the data up and down. And in next video we will discuss file, home, insert, these things. So I hope you like this information. Thanks for watching.